Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Absolutely. I can give you an overview and a simple example. Keep in mind that this is a general tutorial, and the book might have new additions or updates that I'm not aware of. Head First Python is a beginner-friendly book designed to teach programming using the Python language. It follows a unique and interactive approach to help readers grasp concepts quickly and retain knowledge effectively. The first chapter usually introduces readers to Python basics, including installation and the interactive Python shell. The emphasis is on making the learning process enjoyable and hands-on. This chapter focuses on fundamental data structures like lists and introduces loops for iterating through data. Understanding the concept of functions and how to organize code into modules is crucial. This chapter typically covers defining functions, passing arguments, and importing modules. This chapter introduces the basics of OOP in Python, including classes, objects, and inheritance. The book often covers web development using Flask, a lightweight Python web framework. Head First Python offers an engaging way to learn Python, suitable for beginners. The provided examples are just a glimpse of what the book covers. Remember to follow along with the exercises and projects to solidify your understanding of Python programming. I hope this gives you a good starting point for exploring the book. If you have any specific questions or want more details, feel free to ask ChatGPT. Title: Getting Started with Head First Python, an informative tutorial. Introduction. Head First Python is a beginner-friendly book designed to teach programming using Python in a fun and engaging way. The book covers various aspects of Python programming, from the basics to more advanced topics. In this tutorial, we will provide an overview of the book's content and accompany it with code examples to help you get started on your Python journey. Chapter 1: Building a Web App with Flask. The first chapter of Head First Python introduces you to web development using the Flask framework. Flask is a lightweight and easy-to-use web framework in Python. Let's create a simple web app to understand the basics. Save the above code in a file named app.py and run it. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 5000. You should see Hello, World, displayed on the page. Chapter 2: Interacting with Databases using SQLite. In this chapter, the book covers database interactions with SQLite. Let's create a simple SQLite database and perform some basic operations. This code creates a SQLite database file named example.db, defines a table named users, and inserts a user into the table. Chapter 3: Working with Data, JSON and APIs. The book covers working with data using JSON and APIs. Let's make a simple request to an API and parse the JSON response. This code uses the requests library to make a GET request to the JSON placeholder API and prints the parsed JSON response. Conclusion. This tutorial provided a glimpse into the Head First Python book by covering key concepts and providing practical examples. Remember to explore each chapter thoroughly to gain a comprehensive understanding of Python programming. Happy coding! ChatGPT.